Amanda, the State Board of Regents voted unanimously to cancel as many of these exams as they could, saying that the pandemic has significantly impacted learning over the past year. And the hallways here at Lehman High School, empty throughout the day today, are a perfect example of that. Now, the board made a revision to regulations on diploma requirements. This means students won't need the test to get their diplomas. All they have to do is pass their course to graduate. Now, the board can't get rid of all the exams. While the August 2021 regions are canceled, a federal mandate means that as of now, grades 3 through 8 will still be taking only session 1 of the English and math assessments, and grades 4 and 8 will only be taking the written test component of the science tests. But once again, the scores will not be used to determine whether a student graduates. Now, an official with the U.S. Department of Education says they can't get rid of all the exams completely because they want to be able to gauge how the pandemic has impacted learning. But some educators disagree, saying the tests will only serve to highlight inequities that existed in underserved communities well before the pandemic.
When they don't have the foundation, with or without pandemic loss, in terms of education loss, learning loss, catching them up to grade level is very, very, very hard. For the kids that are in my community, it's absolutely more of the same. And they don't need that exam to figure that out.
A lot of different sides to this issue. Arnold, the Board of Regents wasn't able to cancel the federally mandated exams. So what does it mean for those students?
Yeah, Amanda, the board is actually still asking the U.S. Department of Education for a waiver that would allow them to not administer those exams. So there still is a chance that that could happen, but only if that waiver is signed. The Board of Regents is hoping that they hear back by Thursday. Amanda?
Arnold, thank you.